And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 129. Let me show you the shear distortion. Just as an example, let me create a rectangle here. I'll just make it black, no stroke. I've got this layer active, and now I go to Filter, Distort, and Shear. Convert it to Smart Object, and now you can simply drag the curve right here. Below you've got undefined areas. There's a minor adjustment, I would say. You can simply wrap these pixels around or repeat them, and that's usually for the edges. Important is the curve. You can see that here I drag it around and therefore shear this element. So it's a simple transformation. And the same principle can be used on images. So let me delete this rectangle. I go to my image layer, once again Filter, Distort, Shear. And here I can add the same effect. One more thing, let me double click on the effect. I go back to the curve and now I left click where there is no corner point, and then I can add some to it. So you don't just have 3, you can add multiple and therefore create, for example, a wavy line shear and adjust it in multiple directions. And this is how you can use the shear distort in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.